Okay, so let's continue from here. On the last video, we was able to do the login button. So far we have done the header and we have done the login button. As you can see, it's clickable. So what I want to make now is this. I want to make the login form. You know, the form where you enter the email, the password, all that kind of stuff. So that is going to be a component, but not one that is reusable. So we can make it in the source file. So let's say login.js or login form.js. We can definitely do that, and then let's see if we can take some boilerplate stuff. This is where we're gonna use a lot of the Firebase stuff. Let's see. I'm gonna need view. I'm gonna need. Oh well. Before I get to view, let's make our class. Call it login form. We're gonna extends components, and then all basic stuff. The render phase, and what can we put here? Well, what I want to make is a card. I want to make a card for each section. Like, is there a way I can show you guys? Let me see. So I want to make a card that would contain the email, then another card that would contain the password, and then another card that would contain the actual sign-in button. So there's no document here where you can just say React Native card and you copy and paste it from here, and then boom, you get a card. No, we actually have to build it by ourselves. So I'm just gonna do that now and make the card components. Just so this can work, let's just put something here just for the time being. View, put a little view there, it's fine. Export default login form, done. Okay, so we're gonna make the components. So we're gonna make the card. So here, this is gonna be a functional component, but we do need to have. I hate writing these boilerplate stuff. Seriously. Let's just copy it from here, and then I need the view. Perfect. So this is going to be a functional based const card. I am going to pass props in from the login form that I'm going to use it, but let's not introduce that yet. Return again the view, and since I am actually, you know what, I can actually start this now. Wait, why do I have this? So let's just pass in the props. So this is going to be exactly like we did here, exactly like this, nothing different. Okay, now I want to let's export card. But we gotta bring it in. Don't forget to bring it in over here. And then in the app, or in the we're gonna need it here. So we can say, just copy this. This is where we're gonna need the card. Beautiful. I'm gonna show you how to use it in a second. So let's go. So now we need to style the card. I'm gonna show you how const styles. So the view container is the first one. Okay. And then style equals styles dot view container. So first thing in the card, when you give it a border radius, you get to see it right away. It starts changing the shape of the card. So we give it a border radius of 2. First, let's make sure we can see what we're doing. So we can this is the logging form. In here actually we can say we can use the card here actually. We don't really need the view if we're going to use the card. Let's put a text just to see. And then over here where we do render components, so we can say, you know what, let's create a state. We can say state variable. We can say state. Should we do that? I'm trying to think of what's the best way of doing this. No, we can. Let's do that. We can say state. We can see is logged in. Right now I'm gonna put it to false. It's not logged in. And then here I can check and say I can do a simple switch statement here. Should I do that for now? You know what? Let me just do some. Let me introduce that here. We can say do a simple if else statement. Honestly, we can say if this dot state dot is logged in. If this is true, if you are logged in, I want you to render the button. So return the button, and then that you have a logout. If you're not logged in, I want you to return. If you're not logged in, I want you to return the card components, which I have not imported here. So it's import login form from login form, and then beautiful. Don't need to. Okay, we can do this. So right now, since this is false, since we're not logged in, the login form will show up. And then we should see the hello world. If this is actually, if all of this is working, we should be able to see the hello world. Let's hope everything works. I'm not really sure if it's going so. Okay, hello card. So this is good. We have the hello card, so it's working. So because we are logged out, because this is, I've set this to false. If this were true, let's change this to true. You see the button instead. You see that? Log out. It's clickable. We change it to false. Okay, perfect. This is good. So this is good stuff. Okay, so now let's work on this. Let's continue to do our logging form. Let me see. Let me just fix my computer. All right. So now my thing is this. Actually, you know what? This video is getting a little bit too long. I'm gonna continue from the next video where we're gonna build the card, add more info to the card. We'll give it a border width and things like that. We can do that now. Actually, you know, basically we can give it a border width. So much more things to the card that we'll add. I'll do that on the next video. As you can see, the border width. Hello card, but let's stop this video.